SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, which truly is genuinely critical. SLP truly faces obstruction at $3, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking in every practical sense significant way. By and large, smooth love elixir very is as of now esteemed at $3 backing for the bears certainly has been laid out. At $3 24 February 2024. In this video, we will generally walk you through genuinely smooth love mixture cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these regularly for the most part gotten clarification on pressing issues facts. What for the most part is transient cost expectation for truly smooth love elixir, sort of is SLP and especially wise venture, which extremely is genuinely critical. Smooth love mixture support and opposition levels and so on, which generally is genuinely huge. In any case, prior to plunging truly profound into the SLP specialized examination, basically truly let us for the most part discuss the essentially current economic situations, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the in every practical sense last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 184%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1 to 977, 896, 265, 575, which generally is very huge as opposed to prevalent thinking that sort of all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $50, 334, 576, 911, which in every way that really matters generally is very critical. Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how the complete exchanging volume basically remains at $50, 334, 576, 911, which in a real sense is very huge, which by and large brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51, 543.17 level after a vertical development of 0.77% in a really significant manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum basically most certainly has seen a cost increment of 142% coming to $2, 987.48 during the past 24 hours, which essentially explicitly is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $382.54, following a value change of 192% inside a similar time period, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Sol, the exceptionally local coin of Solana, especially is up by 2.3 and right now exchanging at $103.77 in a sort of huge manner. Moreover, XRP came to $155 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 191% in esteem in an unpretentious way. These occasions by and large show that the market generally is going in a for the most part descending bearing for fundamentally transient in an unpretentious manner, which is genuinely critical. As of now, a sort of broad in every way that really matters, negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which truly is very huge. Smooth love mixture backing and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized markers used to generally recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which certainly is very huge. Support in every way that really matters is a level at which purchases certainly become considerably more exceptionally dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so they for the most part thought. Similarly, obstruction actually basically is a level at which dealers essentially become move fundamentally really dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how SLP truly faces opposition at $3 in a sort of significant manner. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of extremely smooth love mixture SLP smooth love elixir execution. The truly kind of everyday diagram of fundamentally essentially smooth love elixir basically shows that the SLP cost essentially has an all things considered descending development with a 118% reduction in exceptionally beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how support generally is a level at which purchases explicitly become all the more certainly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any very further in a very huge manner. The value worth of the really smooth love elixir SLP coin explicitly is remaining at $3 with market capitalization $137.2 to 76,313 US, exhibiting what in every practical sense truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51, 543.17 level after a vertical development of 77%, pretty beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. SLP cost changes 4.8% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume explicitly really is floating around $10, 395, 115 US, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $382.54, following a value change of 192% inside a similar time period, which basically in a real sense is genuinely huge in a significant manner. Smooth Love Mixture Value Examination SLP Cost Investigation for 24 February 2024 inside a truly everyday time period by and large basically made sense of beneath, or so they certainly thought. We utilize pretty relative strength indexes, moving extremely normal union and disparity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving. Midpoints including pretty straightforward moving commonly in every practical sense, normal SMA and remarkable moving sort of commonly normal MA to sort of dissect the future development of the fundamentally smooth love mixture, exhibiting how yet. Prior to plunging profound into the SLP's specialized examination, basically let us in a real sense discuss the, for the most part, current economic situations, or so they essentially thought. The especially relative strength record RSI shows that the SLP coin certainly is close oversold zone, as RSI in every practical sense, in a real sense, is at 34 in a truly significant manner. The MACD line truly is remaining beneath of the genuinely signal line. After a hybrid, which sort of is very critical, smooth love mixture financial backers need to in a real sense sit tight for any directional change over the everyday graph, showing that however prior to jumping kind of profound into the SLP's specialized examination, especially. Let us certainly discuss the kind of essentially current economic situations in a for the most part significant manner. While SLP's Williams % R pointer generally is at 73.5 and at 78 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition, a exchange genuinely signal, especially as genuinely conceivable at this reach, showing how Sol, the exceptionally local coin of Solana, explicitly certainly is up by 2.3 and at present exchanging at $103.77, or so they in every practical sense thought. As per the customary turn, the urgent quick obstruction for SLP may explicitly be in every practical sense, found at $3, actually really followed by $4 in an unpretentious manner. Meanwhile, the cryptocurrencies help levels essentially were situated at $3 and afterward $3, showing how as of now, a truly broad, most certainly genuinely bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which truly sort of is genuinely huge. Ends there in every practical sense had been an especially bad pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin's recovery will basically go on as especially lengthy as it certainly stays in the ruddy region, exhibiting how SLP especially essentially faces obstruction at $3, which especially is very critical. You ought to possibly truly obtain crypto the present moment, assuming you're ready to in a real sense hold it through the highs and lows of the crypto market, exhibiting that truly smooth love elixir support and opposition levels and so forth, which especially truly is